Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy. If you are new here, I make nursing videos. I am a registered nurse, a family nurse practitioner student, and I share my life a little bit here and there through vlogs. So in this particular video, I wanted to share with you what I got at the grocery store. So it'll be a little grocery haul as well as what I meal prep for the week. Now I don't meal prep every weekend. I actually don't like to eat the same thing over and over, but in this particular day I decided to do a lot of food that lasted me a few days. So you will be seeing in this video what I'm going to be having on Monday for breakfast, my snack, and also my lunch. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. If you are enjoying this video, make sure to give it a like. Don't forget to ring the bell for notifications and also to subscribe. Now let's get back into the video. So as soon as I get to work, I'll eat these boiled eggs. So I'll eat these at 7 with my iced coffee. And then if I'm still hungry, I'll eat this. If not, then I'll just save this for a snack later on in the day or during the morning. And either snack in the morning or in the afternoon before I go home. And then this is my lunch, which is pot roast that I made on the slow cooker. And then on top I did some sweet potatoes just on the stovetop, and it should be delicious. And then this is a salad. If I'm still hungry, I will add a salad or I'll eat these for snack. It all works out. If you guys are interested in kind of knowing what other snacks and meals I eat throughout the day, let me know, and make sure to give this video a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.